have set the pace and clarified the intentions of the people of Kenya expressed in the text of the Constitution, both for and against the government. In doing so, the courts have shown valor in the interpretation of the law and never shied from speaking the truth to power when the occasion demanded it. The Kenya Kwanza regime will therefore be no exception, as Mr. Ruto now imagines it should be. We appeal to the judiciary to stand firm in defense of the professionalism, independence, rule of law, and constitutionalism. In this judiciary, I see products of the old struggle against a vicious dictatorship. I trust that they will not allow judicial proceedings and decisions to be determined by Ruto's tantrums. With all its weaknesses and challenges, the judiciary, alongside external vigilance by citizens, remains our best bet against a return to dictatorship. The current level of political and personal attacks on the judiciary by Mr. Ruto is therefore completely unacceptable. Ruto has crossed the line and we will not allow it. Ruto must learn that his best insurance to obey the law. He must not depart from the book of the law to the left or to the right. There is no other way about it. There is no other way about it, and we will not allow him to invent any other way other than the law.